Good afternoon. Today I'm going to be running through the Coolapse shower system using the Wakeman Outdoors shower tent as well as the Auto Deco folding 20-liter bucket. So right here I do already have the bucket with some warm water in it. The Coolapse shower system is here, including the packing bag. The pump itself is powered by a battery that's housed in this unit here. And this is the pump that you simply drop into the water, like so. And then you push the button here on the battery bank. It turns blue when it's on and you can hear the pump running. And you can see there is water coming out of the shower head. It has pretty good pressure. It's really nice to use for, obviously showering, but also cleaning, rinsing off sandy dogs from the beach, things like that as well.